Okay, we're gonna do a first to second pull. Okay, so that went off. Bounce it, bounce it. First gear, second, keeping second. We're going third gear. Fourth. So all in all, after that, I'm cruising home. I'm happy with the car's performance thus far. I got it to drive like it used to. I did that one pull, but I'm never gonna be driving like that because this is my bread and butter. So I don't actually want to fuck it up.